So I'm going to show you how to use your smartphone as a remote control for your Sony Smart TV that's running Google TV. Now, this is very simple. All you have to do is find the Google Home app on your phone. And this works for both Android and iOS. All you have to do is go to the Google Home app and then go to devices. And as long as you're signed in to the same Google account on the Google Home app on your phone and on the Smart TV, you will see your Sony TV available there. Okay, so select it, and then you can do basic things like adjust volume, so you can see the volume is moving when I adjust it. Okay, but if you tap on open remote, it should open a full-blown remote control. Now, if it's the first time, you have to pair. So let's just go ahead and pair 84. There's going to be a code there that you need to use to pair 9D4. Tap pair. Now, once you pair, you can see now we have a full-scale remote control. All right, so you can use it to scroll, select items. So for instance, if I want to scroll down and maybe open YouTube, select it like that. So basically you can use your phone as a remote control, and it's a full-blown remote control with a back button, a home button, Google Assistant, some volume rockers, and of course a mute button, and of course this touch screen that you can use to navigate up, down, left, right. Okay, so that's how you can use your phone to control your Sony Smart TV. Thanks for watching and good luck.